Buy to let is the slow lane, and rent to rent 2.0 is the equivalent of Lewis Hamilton at Silverstone, million miles an hour. And I'm sorry, because I know some of you traditionalists out there will disagree, but give me a minute, watch this video. Simon here, and look, disclaimer, maybe I am a little bit biased, but the principles I'm going to share with you in this video cannot be disputed. If you feel like you disagree, if you feel like I'm wrong, comment below and let me know. But look, the facts are simple. Buy to let is a great vehicle for you to invest your wealth into, okay, to hold on to your wealth, get a monthly cash flow, and hopefully increase the pot, increase with the capital appreciation of the asset. No doubt about it. No doubt. But without the wealth for you to buy it in the first place, there's no buy to let. What is it? There's nothing. Buy to let relies on wealth in the first place, which means you need to either source your own funds or investor funds, otherwise you have no future in buy to let. Rent to rent is different, because rent to rent allows you to build the short-term wealth, the short-term money. In fact, let's not even call it wealth. It is a business that allows you to generate income that then you can put into your BRRs, buy-to-lets, HMOs, SAs, or whatever. But it's so smart and clever, because a lot of people out there, they might have a career as a brain surgeon and that's their income generator, and then they might put it into property investments, and they couldn't be more removed. Whereas when you're in rent to rent and you're in property and you're getting the expertise and you're learning and you're around the right people, meeting the agents, speaking to property owners and landlords, because these two sort of entities are related, it allows you to scale quickly and it allows you to gain knowledge quickly. And that's why for me there's no competition. They're in a different league. Buy to let is about conserving wealth, okay? Giving you cash flow and hopefully the capital appreciation. Rent to rent is an income generator which will allow you to 10x your buy to let portfolio, but also create a bona fide income that can allow you to create financial freedom fast. There is a disclaimer. You're going to have to learn how to build a business, how to manage the business, how to systemize the business, how to manage people. Okay? It is not easy. Okay? Buy to let is, I wouldn't say it's easy, but you know, anybody can buy a buy to let. Not anybody can build a rent to rent business, and that's why it's so important that you get educated. So comment below, let me know your thoughts. I love both. I own property, okay? I own property. I have my rent to rent business. They work together, but there's no competition because they're in a different category, a different wealth category. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.